Good morning, students. Today we start the new topic, which sedimentary rocks. I think this topic we also started. Okay, sedimentary. I see also see their definition. Sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks means what?
Which are made from sediment.
Yeah. Sedimentary rocks means the rocks that made up from sediment. And how that sediment will form?
By layer.
By layer and layer. Okay, if the layer of the sediment is deposited on layer, then sedimentary rocks will be formed. So there are the types. See, which are sandstone. Which rock is sandstone? Then next
Limestone.
limestone.
Coal.
Then conglomerate. And shell. Not sharp, shell. And coal. Okay? And coal. These are the sedimentary rocks. Sandstone, limestone, conglomerate, shale and coal. See, first sandstone. So sandstone is made up of the sand sides grain. Okay? In the name of that rock is the meaning. The
Sand.
rocks that made up from sand. Okay? Sand size grain. So these grains are settled down at the bottom of the ocean and got pressed together. When this sandstone, that grain size particles, is deposited in the ocean, bottom of the ocean, then it got pressed together and sandstone will be formed. So what the uses of that sandstones? So it generally used in the construction. Historic building generally is made up from that sandstone. Like the Red Fort. Okay, where is the Red Fort? Yeah, Delhi. Okay, so Red Fort is made up from the sandstone. Open it. Second one, limestone. Second one is the limestone. So limestone is also known as organic rock or organic sediment. It's also called organic sediment. Why? Because these limestones are generally made from the skeletal remain of tiny sea creatures. Okay, their skeletal. You know skeletal?
Yes.
What? Our bones. Use a English word, not kankal. Okay, see. So these are made up from the skeletal remain of sea creatures. So weathering of limestone can lead to become a normal sediment, or generally what happens, small amount of the sediment that dissolve in the water. Okay, small amount, the small particles of sediment that dissolve in the water, and when the water evaporated, it's remain at the bottom. Okay, you know from sea we get the number of the substance which when water salt. Okay, salt, we get the salt. And also one more, gypsum. See, there is a pictures is given here. Gypsum, rock salt and gypsum. These also we get from the ocean. Okay, so gypsum is the whitish rock that is used for making the plaster of Paris. You know plaster of Paris? So these gypsums have the formula CaSO4. Okay, you know Ca, we see the symbol of element in the first, I think, first lesson. Ca oxygen. Yeah, calcium. What? Calcium.
SO is sodium.
And SO4 means sulfate. SO4 means what?
Sulfate.
Okay. Sulfate. So gypsum, there is a chemical formula is the CaSO4. Calcium sulfate. So these are also limestones. Okay. So limestones generally are found in the Khasi hills of Meghalaya. Okay. And some rocks found throughout the Rajasthan also. Okay. So that's why generally these limestones called the organic sediment, because it made up from the living organisms. Okay, secretors are living organisms, na? So when they are buried in the swamp, then what happened from their skeletons? That made it. So that's why it's called organic sediment. Then another one is the coal. Sorry, conglomerate is afterwards. First of all, coal. See, coal, you know what it's called? In 5th standard also we studied about the coal.
Yes.
Coal also called as
Fossil fuel.
fossil fuel. Why?
It is made up of dead plants and animals.
Yes, coal is made up from dead materials of plants and animals. Okay, so that's why coal is called fossil fuel. And coal generally is started its existence billions of years ago in the form of tree ferns and other plants growing in swampy conditions. So when the first useful fuel resulting from this change, after that coal, when the changes are occur on that coal, the first after changing it converts into peat. Okay, after changing some changes are occur on that coal and it convert into chin, and which is burned well on drying. Okay, it is well burned on dry, and afterward that become harder and harder and lignite will be formed. Okay, when it harder and more compact material is formed, this is called lignite. Okay, means in the next stage lignite is formed, and that finally then in the next stage this converts into coal. Okay, brown coal, that's also called brown coal. Okay, so lignite is mined at Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. It found in the Tamil Nadu, and further change which produce the soft coal or stream coal. Other changes will also occur on that brown coal, and finally then again we get the coal. So this process is going on throughout. Okay, first of all after some changing it comes into peat. Okay, it is well burned, very dry, it comes into then lignite. Okay, and afterward it also convert into, if more hard, then it convert into brown coal. Okay, then conglomerate. First of all tell me, where is the coal? It's generally found in the India.
Jharkhand.
West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa. Okay, is the places where coal will form. See, conglomerate. Conglomerate is made up of the large sediment. Conglomerate is made up from large sediment. It made up from large sediment. All are that rocks are made up from sediment, but their particles are different. Okay, generally sandstones, generally sand grain size particles are there present there. In conglomerate large sediments are present, and that when cement together means that get combine together by dissolve the minerals. You know, in the soils under the earth there are the different minerals. Okay, so that are cemented together by dissolved minerals, and it is used as an ornamental stone. In last period we see the meaning of ornamentals. Okay, what? Ornamental. देखा था लास्ट पीरियड में हमने पूछा भी था, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑर्नामेंट्स? या फॉर डेकोरेटिव थिंग्स. हाँ, ओके, फॉर डेकोरेटिव थिंग्स. सो इट इज यूज एज अ ऑर्नामेंटल स्टोन. Shell is a composed of clay particle. Shell is also sedimentary rocks and it is made up from composed of clay particles. And it is used in making the cement and bricks. और जनरली किसमें यूज होती है? सीमेंट एंड ब्रिक्स में. ओके, सो दीज आर द ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ द रॉक्स विच आर सैंडस्टोन, लाइमस्टोन, कोल, शेल एंड कॉन्ग्लोमेरेट. सो डू यू अंडरस्टूड दैट पार्ट? हैव एनी कंफ्यूजन? नो. ओके, वेरी गुड. देन नेक्स्ट, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. Metamorphic rocks. See in your book, I read the paragraph. When igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to high temperature and or high pressure, so their complete form can change. An igneous or sedimentary rock that has been chemically or structurally changed by heat or pressure is called metamorphic rock. See what happened, that meaning from igneous and sedimentary rocks that metamorphic rock is formed. Okay, you know, we studied that igneous rock and which sedimentary rock. When on that rock apply the heat and pressure. Okay, heat or pressure. Made on igneous and sedimentary rocks, the heat and pressure is applied and it change into metamorphic rock. Do you understood what meaning? From igneous and sedimentary rocks we get the metamorphic rock. Okay, means igneous और sedimentary rocks पे जब heat and pressure supply होता है तो उसका change किस होता है? Metamorphic. Okay, it change into metamorphic rocks. So that igneous and sedimentary rocks has been chemically and structurally changed. Their structure also changed, their chemical composition also changed. Okay, suppose we make the different dishes from vegetables, then their chemicals and their structures also change. Na? That's like when heat and pressure apply on the igneous and sedimentary rocks, then it convert into metamorphic rocks and their structures also change. So which are the metamorphic rocks? See, slate. कौन कौन से देखो, स्लेट, मार्बल, genius, no, and cheese are the example of metamorphic rocks. See first, which? Cheese. S is the silent. Okay. See, slate is formed when clay or shell is exposed to low temperature. See, slate is formed when clay or shell. Clay or shell is the which type? Igneous or sedimentary? Sedimentary. Okay. Means that slate, we can say that Slate made up from sedimentary rock?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So which sedimentary rocks? Clay and or slate. Okay. Clay or slate. Means slate is made up from sedimentary rocks and it is means their example is the clay and shale. Slate is made up from clay and shale when it exposed to low pressure, low temperature. Okay, low pressure and temperature. And in India it is found in Haryana and Bihar and is used as a roofing material. It is used as a roofing material. What do you mean by roofing? Roof? हाँ, not floor, roof, chhat. For roofing materials, it is used. Okay, marble. You are newcomer. What your name? Veda. See, marble. Marble is formed from limestone. Limestone which type? Sedimentary or igneous? Sediment. Okay, means the marble is made up from sedimentary rocks, which from limestones, and it is used for the popular building materials that like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built using marble from Jodhpur, Ajmer, Jaipur and Alwar. Okay, so marbles सबको पता है. It is generally white in color. Okay, and is also used for the different things also. जैसे बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स के घर में भी जो हम टेम्पल्स बहुत सारे घर में टेम्पल्स होते हैं मार्बल्स के वाइट कलर्स के से. ओके, छोटे इसमें भी यूज किए जाते हैं. सो फ्रॉम igneous rocks, particularly granite, many variety of gneiss are formed. Granite, gneiss also made from the igneous rock. Gneiss cover wide area of Orissa, Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay, and is used as a building stone. Gneiss are also used as a building stone. And another last one is the is also found in the Himalaya region. See here at the page number 59, you here given us there are types and there are pictures of slates, marble, gneiss, cheese. Okay, so see their cycle, rock cycle are given here. See. Draw that rock cycle. Take out your notebook. Draw means only we draw here name, not their structures. Huh? See, first of all, don't talk, only take out your notebooks and write. Then I explain it. So on page number 59, that rock cycle is given. So you have to draw it. Okay. Then I explain. See, volcanic activities. You know, due to volcanic activities, that rock are formed. Means by cooling the lava. Okay. So, due to from volcanic activity, first of all, igneous rock will form. Okay, on melting. Then from igneous rock, when heat and pressure is applied on that igneous rock, then metamorphic rock is formed. Okay, and again that undergo melting, and again volcanic activity is formed. From igneous rock and metamorphic rock. See, igneous and sediment rock. Igneous rock also metamorphic rock form, and from sediment rock also metamorphic rock. अभी हमने स्टडी किया sediment and igneous rock से metamorphic rock form होता है. So that's why I indicated that from igneous to metamorphic and sediment to metamorphic. On weathering, what happen? Sedimentary rocks will form. Okay, and sedimentary rocks again metamorphic rocks will form from that sedimentary. So draw it.